How to verify your identity on Coinbase. If you want to verify your identity on Coinbase, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Coinbase app. Now if you haven't verified your identity, right after your login, you'll find a pop-up at the top that says verify your information. So you can simply tap on verify your information right here. It'll ask us for a couple of steps that we need to verify our identity. So here you can see it will need a legal name, home address, and a date of birth and a document that shows that, and last 4 digits of your social security number, and how you use Coinbase. Tap on continue, and you want to make sure to enter your legal first name, legal last name, and make sure to choose your legal date of birth as well, and the last 4 digits of your social security number, and tap on continue. On the next page, you will be asked to upload the photos of any sort of document you have provided, and after a couple of minutes, Coinbase will verify and review your account and will let you know whether or not your identity has been verified. But as long as you follow the steps correctly or precisely, your account will be successfully verified on Coinbase. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically verify your account on Coinbase. I hope this video pretty much helps you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.